Hey guys, welcome back another video and welcome to my channel PC and Android Tricks. Now in this video I show you how to create a folder without name or without icon, full invisible folder. There are very simple method to create a invisible folder without name. So let's start it. First right click on your desktop, create a new folder. I create new folder. Okay, then rename it sample. Okay, I rename it sample. First step, this is our sample folder to create a without name and without icon. First click on this, right click on this folder, then go to properties, then go to customize, then change icon, and then choose the second this invisible icon, and after choose this invisible icon, click OK, then apply, and after apply then click OK. Here you see our folder make invisible. Now we create invisible name. So right click on rename and press Alt 0160. Here you show folder name is empty and press enter, and our folder is rename and our folder makes invisible. You show that there are folder invisible on. This is our folder which is make invisible. I once again show you how to create a invisible. Rename it anything HL. Once I rename it and press Alt 0160. Okay, and press hit enter. Folder make invisible is very simple trick. If you understand how to create a folder without name or without icon and you understand, please like this video and share my channel and press the bell icon and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much. See you in next video. Goodbye.